Hey everyone, Kirk here, and today I want to show you a new feature that I found in Lightroom that is really cool, especially when you're working with presets. I love using presets. I like making my own, downloading them and playing around with them, especially those ones that like emulate old film. But the problem is when you apply it, it tends to be quite bright or oversaturated, and if you want to dial it back a bit, you have to go in per slider and just tweak it here and there to try and bring it, and it doesn't really work because there's so many things in play at the same time. So this preset plugin that I found called Fader is perfect for that. So I'm just going to show you what it does. So I have this image here of Vestrahorn in Iceland, and I want to apply a cool filter to it. So what I'm going to do is, instead of going onto the left hand side and going through all the filters that you've gathered over the years, what you want to do is you want to go up to File, Plugin Extras and the Fader. I'll show you in a minute how to get it. Now with this, what you can do is it shows all the folders of your presets, so I can see all the filter and presets that I own. And let's find one that's quite strong. So usually a Kodak. So this was shot on Nikon. Go to the presets. Kodak Gold is usually pretty strong. I'll go Gold 100. Now you can see that it's applied the filter, but it's quite dark in some areas. So what you can do, you can use this slider to actually decrease and slightly increase the effect of the preset. So if I just grab the slider and bring it down quite low, so I brought it down to 15, and you can see that it's kind of relaxed the effect of the filter, kind of similar to what it was when I first applied it. But you can even increase it to a lot even further than the preset was already at, which is quite cool. So you can kind of play around with the intensity of the preset. So if you want to get this software yourself, the best way to do it, if you go onto your favorite web browser, and the website to get it is called Capture Monkey. So write in Capture Monkey, and I've already got it on here. capturemonkey.com/the fader. The link will be in the description for you. So if you just go onto here, this software is free. They do have an extra features if you pay $10, but to be honest, you get everything you need just from the free plugin. So they've got showing you on here a bit of information about it, and what you want to do is just download it. I've already downloaded and added it, as you can see. And what you want to do is you want to unzip that file and take the .lr plugin file and put it somewhere safe. So I've put mine in my Lightroom folder, in a folder called plugins, and I've just put it in there just so it stays in that same spot, so Lightroom knows where it is. Once it's in there, just close Lightroom, reopen it, and you can fire away. So like I said, I'll show you again. So you want to go, actually this one's been I just undo it. If I just undo what has been done, just reset it, and just reapply the lens calibration, there we go, bit of vignette. So again, you want to go to File, Plugin Extras, the Fader. So now you can go on anything you want. So let's see, let's try, see what this looks like. So yeah, it's a bit intense. Let's just try and bring it down a bit. Yeah, so it's softened it out a bit, and you can kind of just then play around with how intense you want it. And then as soon as you're done, you can click OK. But if I show you on here, let's just cancel it. I'm going to show you a basic module. You see there's no editing applied to this shot. Final, back to fader. And let's just code up 200. Now you can see on the left hand side what it's actually doing to the exposure. So if you actually moved it back, you can actually see how it's slightly adjusted for the preset. So that's a really cool feature. So I hope you enjoyed this little insight into Lightroom and using the fader plugin so you can get more out of your own presets, and hopefully it adds a bit more to your photography and you can try different things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you later.